Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in with Amazon Associates for affiliate link tracking, beginner guide step by step. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type affiliate-program.amazon.com and press enter. You will be redirected to the Amazon Associates homepage. Look for the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign in button. You will see two options, your account and new Amazon Associates account. If you already have an Amazon account, select your account. Next, enter your Amazon account password in the password field. After checking your credentials, click on the sign in button. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to the Amazon Associates dashboard. If you do not have an Amazon account, choose New Amazon Associates account. Follow the prompts to create a new Amazon account. Once your account is set up, sign in using the same credentials. You are now logged into your Amazon Associates account. From the dashboard, you can access various tools for generating affiliate links. Explore the options available to familiarize yourself with the interface. Remember to check your performance reports to track your affiliate earnings. Logging in is the first step toward monetizing your content with Amazon Associates. Take your time to navigate through the tools at your disposal. Happy linking! If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.